20% throttle, mate. 20%. Fuck knows. That didn't sound good, innit?
Damn!
To his team racing driver, the stick.
Fucking hell.
The Opera stick.
Oof.
Yes, people, we're back with the GTI. Thought, well, I might as well do a POV on it. Weather's not the best today, but I'll give you a little tickle whilst we're loading it up. Bloody hell, bruv. Who says you can't drive a front wheel drive in the rain? Ain't gripping today, boys.
That's with traction on.
Traction on as well. What mode are we in? We're in eco mode as well, low boost settings. Let's go to normal. Sports, I think, will be too much for it today.
We've got to put it in sport just for the fun.
We'll leave traction on, innit? If we turn it off, it'll do madness. We'll turn it off, see what it says. That's traction off there, you just seen it, it just spun like a madman. We'll put it on for today. We need all the grip today. It would be nice if the weather was a bit better. We would have done it in some nicer weather, but
It's UK, mate.
yeah, this is what we get, so this is what we're gonna do it in. Come on, give us some road. Everyone's gonna be driving like a bitch today. I don't know, I noticed to be very loud as well.
I thought that was wrong.
Might have been smoking them man last week in the M5.
We're not doing
Mad.
Tires are cold as well.
Yeah. Tires are very cold. Elbow delete.
No, that's them brothers like that.
Elbow delete adds 5 more horsepower.
They do the chicken dance.
Bloody hell. We should have done the elbow delete there. We're in a 60 road and everyone's driving 30. That's how you know the weather's a bit dead.
It's all the fucking cool stuff.
Sunday drivers are out today, boys.
I thought it might be dead because the weather's shit, man. Well, at least spikers are not gonna be.
Yeah.
It's foggy as fuck.
Foggy as all though, isn't it? Ooh, bloody hell, it's foggy up here. I think racing that M5 last week has opened it up. I think the exhaust has been opened up unless we've got a leak somewhere. We'll get some now. Just wheel hopping everywhere today, just spinning. I'm in normal mode. I'm probably like medium settings. Oh bloody hell. Now we activated the full source mode.
It's nothing, it says I'm
Full 491 brake horsepower, what we call it 500. Bloody can't see nothing up here.
shit up here today.
It don't help that you can't see anything. We're gonna get a lot of these drivers today, innit? out there. 20% again. Spinning like a madman. Oh. It ain't helping that we can't see as well.
Can't see shit.
Might be a quick video this. We'll still upload it.
Yeah.
We'll still get some out of there. All over gaff today. More power? I think this is enough. We're not even getting no grip in the winter.
I think we need slightly a bit more. Or we might need to change the turbo on it.
Just no grip. Today, boys. Not the best weather, but that's why I wanted it out, to show people you can still use it.
The fancy traction control.
The fancy traction control system. See that? Now we got heat.
Now it's gripping up slightly. Invert, now it's gripping up.
Can't beat these brakes. See that Mexico City and that? The source has been activated. Jesus handle.
No lights on. Yeah, pull that way. Some pressure on it.
bet the camera's picking up everything.
I bet.
You can see on camera that there's that is clear as out.
Maybe. Maybe.
Maybe. We've just gone through half of the fuel. Let's activate eco mode. Lowest boost setting going. That's what we need for today though, innit? We're gonna give it 20%. I noticed one thing, you know when you're giving it a less, like when you're like 20% and then you shift, it does that, yeah, it jumps you, and for some reason we'll give it another 20.
And when you put clutch in, it does that. But if you're full in,
Yeah,
they don't do it.
they don't do it. Yeah, when you're fully footed, yeah, it never does it. It's just when you're in second,
And you're
feeding in like now, and then let off and it drops on his face. He did it there as well, but that's when it's coming on to boost, isn't it? Should we give it some? It's just a mad one today, boys. Just a madness. I don't think it's the weather, but we'll upload this video.
We got better.
Yeah, we'll get a better one in a few days or something. But for now, this will do.
Oh, should have pause on lethal.
We can hand the car back over to his tame racing driver, Stig.
Fucking hell.
The Opera Stig. There's always traffic on the Mexico Strip, but that's it for today. Like I said, our Instas will be in the link in the description below. Again, follow us, subscribe and everything there. Suggest what you want to see on the next few videos. If you want to see a 0 to 60 comparing the Mark 5 GTI and the Mark 7 that we currently done a review on, comment below and we'll get that going, or if you want to see a race between them both. But other than that, boom, till the next one. He's a bitch now.